President Ian Khama slams President Emerson Mnangagwa over Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. Zanamena mashoko kubuda pachena achiruka kunzi aiwa Botswana yazviramba ikati zviri kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe kungori kungokara simba kukara mari corruption zvimwe zvakadaro. Zanamena mashoko kubuda achiudzwa panguva ino achidirector kuzvigananda from Ian Khama. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timudapenda yakamudanyira chiti. Here we go again. Another power hungry president. Yes, the constitution amended through rigging and cash inducements to extend his term of office. Zimbabwe has now become the latest in a growing list of countries whose presidents want to cling to power and manipulate the constitution to achieve that. Examples include Cameroon, Paul Biya, 43 years in power and 93 years old. Uganda, Yoweri Museveni, 40 years in power and 81 years old. Rwanda, Paul Kagame, 26 years in power and counting and 68 years old. Political assassinations, fabricated charges and detentions, kidnapping and disappearances, as recently in Tanzania and Uganda, are the modus operandi of these and other such tyrants. Zimbabwe and its long-suffering people have been subjected to the same from the days of Gukurahundi to present day, and as I told Honorable Job Scholar at the launch of his book, Footprints in the Chains, that the only thing that has changed since Rhodesia and Ian Smith is the name of his country and that of its leaders. Oppressors come in all colors. Ndoma developments ari kuda panguva ino tikuona kuti aiwa Ian Khama azvidiscover akaona kuti aiwa madevelopments ari kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe just a power grab. Panguva ino inoonekwa kunzi inongoprolonga corruption, panguva ino ichiita kuti these leaders vaite zvavanenge vachida aiwa nekuoppressa macitizens. Ina comment section medu dzofungira muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So kana subscribe or like wachina kuti on the bell icon.